Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding. Um, as promised, I'm leaving you guys some grammar things to take notes on. So please go ahead and take notes on coordinating conjunctions on, I believe we left off on page 42. So on page 42 of your notebook, please title that Coordinating Conjunctions and then take notes on the following 7 conjunctions. Okay. So I am going to go a little bit fast through this, mainly because you're going to be able to watch the video and pause and keep going at whenever you want. So I'm just going to go pretty quickly. But conjunctions, I want you guys to know that the English language has 7 coordinating conjunctions. And these should look familiar already. You use these all the time. I just wanted to review this so that when you are writing, you make sure that you are writing better, I guess, right? Because you're going to look out for these and how you use them. So conjunctions are words that put two sentences together. Too many short sentences can make your writing sound very choppy. So when I say I don't want to hear any kindergarten sentences, this is what I'm talking about. So to smooth out your style, use coordinating conjunctions. And to help you remember these, you can use the acronym FANBOYS. So let's go ahead and get started. When you combine two independent clauses, which means two complete sentences, you need to have a comma with that conjunction. So you would have a sentence, right? An independent clause, a comma, the conjunction, and then your other sentence at the end. So if a phrase is added to a short independent clause, it does not need a comma. So your example would be right here. I go to the park every Sunday. So that's a sentence on its own. So you would add that comma. And I watch the ducks on the lake. Okay, that's independent as well. That's why you needed the comma. And then this last one is a phrase. So you don't need a comma right here. So, and the shirtless man playing soccer. Yes, I wrote the sentence. Do not laugh at me. All right, so your first coordinating conjunction is for. So the F in fanboys stands for for. And it's a fancy way of saying because. So my example would be Jenny thought she would get an A on her test for she had studied a lot. Right? Instead of saying because, you become fancy and you say for. So please make sure you're also copying down these examples. A stands for and. And is greedy and always wants more. So the example is Lindsay is in 10th grade and her brother is in 12th grade. Okay, so greedy and always wants more. N stands for nor. It isn't nice, like or, but it's a negative. Neither is his neighbor. So Freddie didn't want to play nor did he want to eat. Okay, so it's not just like or did not want to eat. This is a negative way of saying or. Freddie didn't want to play nor did he want to eat. Okay, so if I'm using nor, it's usually when someone is in trouble. B stands for but. But is naughty and likes to do the opposite of what he is supposed to do. So the example, Lisa wasn't allowed to play, but she went outside anyway. O stands for or can't decide or make up its mind. So you can go skating or you can go to the movies. So one thing or another. And again, these are two independent clauses, okay? Sentences that could stand on their own, but we make our writing more interesting and smoother by adding a comma and then the conjunction or. Y stands for yet, and it's a fancy way of saying but. I don't like strawberries, yet I love strawberry cake. Or if you're like me, I don't like bananas, yet I love banana bread. Okay, and then finally the S stands for so. So knows the reason why something is happening. So you use this to explain. I was talking to my partner, so I had to change my seat. And that may or may not happen. But again, a comma because these two are independent clauses. Okay. So if you'd like to do some practice, right, when you combine these sentences, it was cold outside, period, I wore a jacket, you would combine them using, first of all, a comma, and then the word so. Okay, so just to recap, okay, you use a fanboys acronym. F stands for, A stands for and, N stands for nor, B stands for but, O for are, Y for yet, S for so. So please go ahead and finish up your notes, and then please work on your worksheet, your practice, and turn it in before you leave, as it is due today. Okay, it is due today. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.